Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing another nail video for you guys today, and in this nail video I am going to be showing you what I got recently from Amazon. I purchased a gel polish set from the BEETLES brand, and then I purchased their base and top coat set as well. I will be doing a little swatch portion of this video before trying out these products. So really quickly, I wanted to show you guys the bottles for the base and top coats. So I did get both the no wipe top gel and their matte top gel along with their base gel. So I'm going to leave the link down below for you guys for their base and top coats set and the 6 gel polish set that I got as well. I did grab one of their 6 gel polish sets in one of their holiday sets. So this one is called the Gingerbread Holiday gel polish set. It really does consist of some nudes, glitters, and a red color. So the first color I am going to be swatching is number 459, and it is a nude color. It is in the nude color spectrum. And the second color is number 460, and it is a white color. The third color is number 461, and this is like a red color. It's like a deepish red color. Fourth color is 462, and this is a silver glitter color. Fifth color is number 463, and this is a gold glitter color. And the sixth color is 464, and this is another nude color. Here is a quick once-over of the colors, and the colors that I used to create this look in this video are 459, 461, 462, and 464. To start off, I used the base gel from the base and top coat set that I got, and I do apply a thin layer of the base gel. And once I am done applying the base gel, I do take this brush, I dip it in acetone, and I do wipe off any excess that I may have around the sides of my nails or like at my cuticles, just so that way when I am curing this, it doesn't burn my skin or like stick to my skin. And I do cure the base gel for 120 seconds. Oh yeah, so I do like to apply the base gel on my thumb separately and cure my thumb separately as well. This just ensures that the gel gets evenly cured. It's just a preference of mine. So these are the colors again. The numbers are 459, 461, 462, and 464. I have 459 on my pinky, I have 461 on my ring finger, 462 for my middle finger, and then 464 for my index and my thumb. And I do start off applying 464 on my pinky, and I do apply a thin coat. Once I am done applying the gel color, I do like to flip my finger around so that way the gel kind of levels out, if that makes sense. Then I will use the same brush and do any cleanups if I need to. And this is what one thin layer looks like. And now I am moving on to my ring finger to the color 461, and I pretty much try to keep all of the first layers, well, any layer really in particular, as thin as I possibly can. So I'm not going to really say that because I feel like I'd be repeating myself. So I am going to just pop in here and there when it's needed. And now I am applying the color 462, the glitter color, on my middle finger. And here is what 461 and 462 looks like up close. Now I am applying 464 on my index finger and my thumbnail. And here is a closer look at all of the colors before I cure them. So I do cure this for 120 seconds again. Just a quick reminder, I am applying 464 separately on my thumb because I do like to cure my thumbs separately. Here is a final look at all of the gel colors with just one thin layer. So I am applying a second coat of 459. I just show you this one color on camera, and then off camera I do apply a second coat for all of the other colors. I don't show you for all the other colors just because it is kind of repetitive, and yeah. And here is a closer look at 459 with two coats. And off camera, I do apply a second coat for all of the other colors. So here is a closer look at them. And now I am going to be applying the top gel that I got from the base and top coat set. And I only apply one coat of the top gel, and this top gel is actually a no wipe top coat. I don't remember if I mentioned that at the beginning of this video. So this one you don't have to wipe off any sticky residue because there is none. I love no wipe top coats just because I don't like to fiddle with you know, like a sticky layer or have to remember to take off the sticky layer. And once I am done applying the top gel, I do cure this for 120 seconds. I do apply the top gel onto my thumb separately because I do like to cure my thumb separately. And here is my left hand done. Off camera, I do my right hand. I'm really happy with how these turned out. I am really happy with how well and easy the gel polishes from Beetles were. I would definitely recommend this if you guys want to get into, you know, doing your own gel nails at home. I would definitely recommend gel polish from Beetles. They have a wide variety of colors. Like I said, I will leave the link down below for you guys. So I do apply some cuticle oil because my cuticles need some rehydration. I got this cuticle oil from Candy Skincare. I don't exactly remember the scent on the top of my head, but it does smell like sherbet sorbet. But anyway, if you liked this video, please please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet, or if you are new, please consider subscribing before you leave. Your love and your support really means a lot to me. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.